Welcome to Advanced AutoCAD. AutoCAD is the industry-leading platform for 2D drafting and 3D modeling employed by architects, engineers, and project managers across various fields. Our hands-on comprehensive course empowers you to harness the full potential of this powerful tool. This course is for anyone looking to upgrade their AutoCAD skills or improve their AutoCAD knowledge. We will start by looking at the advanced AutoCAD tools. We will look at tools like Revision Cloud, Filters, Quick Select, Rename Tool, Divide and Measure, Quick Calculator, and learn how to use them in your project. We then look at Object Visibility tools, AutoCAD Transparency, Line Type Scale, Draw Order. We will also look at advanced annotative tools and parametric tools. We will explore the different types of constraints that you can apply in your drawing. We will look at creating your own constraints in your model, using constraints in the design process, and managing constraints in your files. We will then look at dynamic blocks, explore the different types of constraints you can apply to these dynamic blocks. We will look at how you can test the blocks in the block editor. We will also apply and implement these blocks in your project. We will then create your custom sheet set. We will learn how to create them, how to use fields, how to use drawing properties, advanced sheet features, and then finally we will see how we can make these sheets ready for publishing. At the end of the course, you will be given a certificate of completion. We look forward to seeing you as a student. Join Averroes Academy today.